Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Mark from Blastworks. So we're up here in Irondequoit working on a kind of a different project for us. This is a swimming pool. It is a gunite pool. Our job today is to strip off the epoxy off of the gunite or concrete, essentially, so that the pool finishers can put a new epoxy coating on it. So I'll spin the camera around here and show you the pool. So the pool guys have already been here and they have stripped away the decorative tile border around the top of the pool. And then we're going to remove all of that white epoxy that you see. Let me zoom back out here. So all this white epoxy, when we're done with this, it'll just look like bare concrete. So we're going to blast and repaint that diving board base. Customer's not going to use it as a diving board, but just to clean it up so it looks nice. All right, so you can see we're finished with the pool. So Calvin's putting finishing touches on the diving board base back there. We sandblasted that and we put a coat of PSX 700 from PPG on it. And this pool's all done. It's ready for the next step for the installers to come in and do their end of it. And a couple weeks, these folks can swim if it's warm enough. All right, everybody, it's Mark from Blastworks. Have a great day.